What it do, baby? My name is Azaya, better known as Call Her Zay on Instagram, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my twist. This is how long they are, and believe it or not, I only used about 5.5 packs. So yeah, but like I said, they could be more full. I did passion. This is all the hair pulled to the front. I did passion twist over the summer, and I used about probably like 7.5 packs, and I loved how big my hair was. But I probably should give you guys a tutorial on that when it gets warmer, because I did those passion twists a little different than I'm gonna show you how to do these ones, because these are more like chunky twists, like chunky boho twist almost. Aside, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just get into the tutorial. I actually use, this is the brand, I used Model's Glance Braid in Water Wave in the color 4, and it comes like that. And I did add a few pieces of 27 throughout my hair, but yeah. I found this at my local beauty supply store, and I believe it was like $5 a pack or $6 a pack, something like that. So yeah, I did alternate between sizes in my hair, so because I wasn't sure if I was gonna have enough hair. So some of them are smaller, mainly in the back. But yeah, we have some small twists. We got some like chunkier twists going on. So yeah, it's really all your preference. Piece of hair in half, it would be this short, this short. So, you know, some people like their hair that short, but I'm tall, I'm 5'7", so I like my hair to be like super long. So I'm gonna show you how I finessed. You wanna like take your thumb, hope you guys can see that. You wanna just take your thumb, I'm actually do it right here. And take your thumb and kind of just slide it down here. You're just kind of like breaking it up and getting it fluffy. So this is what it looks like after. I'll show you the comparison. So you just see it's a little fluffier. I'm gonna do that to all the pieces. Now at the top, I was actually using 3 pieces of hair because I wanted that chunky twist look, just real effortless. I wanted it to look like my natural hair was twisted. So yeah, so when I do my own twist, this is what they typically look like. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it right back. Okay. Now that I have like fluffed out the hair a little bit, this is how we finesse the length, okay? I take 2 pieces first, the 2 fluffed out pieces, and I put them together, okay? Just that simple. I'm holding my hand really high, but yeah, so you kind of just want to fold it in half. That's what's going to give you the thickness. Now for the length, you want to take 1 extra piece, and I'm really bad at explaining this, but I'll slow this down. So you have the 1 piece folded in half, and then you have your additional piece. You're not gonna fold that in half, okay? You're literally just going to boop, just like that. So you pretty much got 2 legs on this side and 3 on this side, okay? And then we're gonna pick a piece. I'm gonna do the piece in the back. So if anybody knows how to do a box braid, this is what we're gonna do. I'm doing the basic way to do a box braid. We have 2 legs, we have our 2 on that one side, we got the 3 pieces on that side, and then we have this piece of hair. So we're gonna take our natural hair and then put the weave on either side of the hair. So you are just going to plait your hair just like that. And I like to do it about 5 times. So 1, that was 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, this is my natural hair in the middle. I am just going to take it on one side, combine it with my braid, and I'm going to just start twisting. You want to make sure you twist tighter where your natural hair is, so that way you can camouflage your hair in with it. I'm gonna actually slow this down. that's the basis of a Senegalese twist too, but that's a different video for a different day. And we're just gonna go really fast. Like I said though, I have like a boho situation going on. So some of my pieces of hair are actually sticking out. So I'm gonna do it on this one, just so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So you know how you do boho box braids? You wanna just leave a piece out. I'm gonna hold that raw. And keep twisting. Now that I've passed my natural hair, I'm just gonna twist. I don't even gotta twist and twist anymore. I'm just twisting like a regular old twist. Now we're getting to the end where our longer piece is at. Now I like to do it that method just because natural hair tapers at the end anyway. So we're just gonna twist. Too long, you gotta just hold your hair out. And you see how I pull that tight? It kind of just secures your hair. All right, so we're gonna do it again. Show you guys what I'm doing. We got our 3 pieces. I didn't already fluff them out. So 1, got 1 and 1/2, 1 and 1/2. 2 and 1/2, and then the 3rd piece for our length. We're gonna take that piece. So we have 1 leg on one side, our natural hair in the middle. This is my natural hair. And then the other piece. We're gonna start braiding. Braid a couple times. Braid a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I did 8 just because I felt like when I did 5, it wasn't secure enough. But now I don't want to go too slow. This is my natural hair. So we just finished braiding. We got 3 pieces. So you're gonna combine our natural hair with the braid. With the one side, and twist. So twist, twist. And just make sure you're twisting your pieces the same way. And you see how I kind of wrap and then twist? Okay, that's much better. You see that? Nice and tight to the scalp. Now that we're definitely past my natural hair, I'm gonna bring it down, break the long piece in half, and then we just twist. I'm not gonna leave a piece of hair out there, or maybe I will. Maybe we'll leave that little piece out just to give it a messier look. Oh yeah, pretty much. You just wanna twist. Pull up a little bit just to help it kind of stick together. And bam, just that simple. I remember tomorrow I will come on here and I'll come on here and show you what the finished product looks like. Only because you see how I'm like kind of filling them in. Like I have some real big parts at the top. I got so lazy. When it came to finishing these. So I got some gems in there. And yeah, this is a really, really simple, easy, protective style. I feel like you don't really need too much skills to get this done. So yeah. Bye guys.